Rick with Mystic Falls Ponds LLC out here in Port Charlotte, finishing up for the day. We put the fountain in, got it all anchored down, lines all untangled from the weeds and stuff. Oh, the milfoil in here is terrible, terrible. And the wind was blowing so bad. I'd take 2 paddles forward and it would blow me back 4. It was unreal. Thank God I put the ankle ropes from the bank into the bank and to grab a hold of them. It would have been a real tough job then. But it came out really nice. The customers are very happy. They're going to let me know how the lights and stuff are tonight. I tested them. All the lights and stuff are working. Everything looks good. I don't know if you can see the little ducks. They don't quite know what to think about that fountain. But there it is. This is the view from their window. This is what they're going to be looking at. And when they get up in the morning until 9 o'clock in the morning, and then it'll shut off. And then at 7:30 at night, it'll come back on again until 9:30 at night. All the lights will be on. Well, I think I did a good job. And I'm glad my customers are happy. Got everything all buried in. All the wires in conduit to the high water mark. I don't like to go down below and bury the wires down below the high water mark, because if we have a flood, it needs that extra wire to be able to pull up on that high water mark. So that way there, I gave it, it only required 4 extra feet of line for the anchors, but I put in 5. I'd rather have too much than too little. I can always come and take away, but I can't add, well, I can add on, but it'd be a pain in the butt. But here we go. You can see, here's where the wires enter into the water there. That's the high water mark right there. Got all that buried. That's all in conduit. Well, it's all in schedule 40, 1.5" schedule 40, buried under the ground. And there's the controller boxes, everything. Everything looks good. It all came out nice. And I can't wait to see the video they're going to send of the lighting. I'd like to come over and do one myself. I'm going to ask the owners if I can. It'd be nice to be able to have one with the lights and color on the fountain and stuff. That would look really good. But there's the fountain. Okay, well, it's 3 o'clock and I'm pooped. Been here since 8:45, and that was quite a job. I'll hope everybody will have a great rest of the week. I don't know what today is. Today's Wednesday. Yeah, great rest of the week. I'm on a weekend right now. All done till Monday. I hope everybody has fun. Be safe out there. Bye-bye.